2016 Hyundai Elantra. Beautiful car. Like what we did on the Hyundai Elantra, guys. Factory converter. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. We deleted the resonator and ran 2.5 instead of the 2-inch pipe that was on it there. You guys can see 2.5 all the way back, custom bent over the rear end, cleared the rear end as you guys can see there, all the way to the back to the tips. And then we installed a dual tip on it, black, right there. Came out clean, nice. Gave it that factory look, but clean with the sound. There's the 2-inch pipe that was on it, or 1 3/4 actually, sorry guys. The 1 3/4 pipe that was on it that we took out right there. And he had the muffler cut himself earlier just to see what it sounds like. He liked it, and then we convinced him to make it a little bit deeper by running 2.5 instead of that. So came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Hyundai Elantra, 2.5-inch system, straight pipe. Go ahead. And it's raining again. Rain, rain, go away, come back another day. Hyundai Elantra. What do you guys think of the sound? Let you guys hear on the inside. Fully straight pipe, 2.5-inch pipe system into a dual tip, black. Came out perfect. Deep sound, and it is stick shift, manual. So you know this thing will go. It'll sound good stick shift. It's better than the automatics. Sounds good for 2.5. I like it for an Elantra. Enjoy, guys.